What's up guys, welcome back. Why not clap? What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Engines and Idiots. Once again, I am Mr. SF95, or SF for short. We didn't really have anything that we were gonna do this weekend. Actually, we did. Rain happened and postponed a lot of it because it had a lot to do with photo shoots and detailing, and you know how that goes. But in the spirit of detailing and photo shoots and body work stuff, we have decided to make a video about blacking out the CLS55 AMG badges so that you guys can watch how we do that, go through our DIY process. But yeah, for this project, you're gonna need a heat gun if it's cold outside like it is today, dental floss, oh, that's upside down, dental floss, soapy water.
Soapy water.
I'm not gonna say it like that. Actually, you know what, Chris Fix? Soapy water, we got it. Let's get right into it. We're gonna show you some before scenes of how the car looks with chrome badges. Did I say chrome badges? I said badges.
You said badges. That's
okay. We're gonna do some before scenes, show you how the car looks with chrome badges, and then we're gonna work a little bit, and then we'll show you the car finished up with the black badges. Let's get started. Before we get started, I just want to show you like some of the stuff we're doing. We got this Mercedes logo for the back. We've got these compressor logos for the side on the fenders. And we've got CLS55, and then this is blocked off by a sticker, but it's the AMG logo. But the only thing I can say about these that's different is that while the CLS55 is actually the same size, the AMG logo is slightly smaller. All right, so I'm joined by my friend Nadeem here, who has apparently done this before.
Yes.
And we got Imad working the camera.
I'm in the back.
So, so you said the first time you did this, you just literally just used soapy water?
Yeah, just sprayed it with soapy water and then
flossed it out. You didn't use a heat gun or anything?
Nothing.
All right, we'll try that first, and if it's like not working, we'll bust out the heat gun.
Exactly.
All right. So like,
Just safe to me with the CTS. Oh, that actually worked. Oh.
Okay, so it looks like the water method was not working. It's just a bit too cold outside. It's like 61 degrees today, right?
Yeah,
so we're gonna bust out the heat gun. So we've got the heat gun ready. We got it at this lowest setting, which is 430 degrees Fahrenheit. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick my hand here out of the way, so obviously I don't burn my hand, but I'm just gonna like point it at where I'm trying to get this heated up. And we're gonna go in circles. You don't wanna stay in one spot because otherwise you're gonna heat the paint and the clear coat up. So just gonna keep going in circles for about like 2 minutes. And then we can take the floss and maybe get this off easier.
You having fun there, man?
I have.
So your hands are really just to feel like, to make sure it's not too hot. Right?
Yeah, exactly. Like you don't want to mess anything up. Some heat guns don't have as many settings as this one. So sometimes you're just kind of stuck with like the base temperature, which is like way higher than this. If you don't have a heat gun, just use a blow dryer.
So how's this working? Is it working better than just the water?
Yeah, it's definitely working better. You can like see it slowly coming down.
Oh, it's like wiggling off too.
Yeah, like now the other thing you want to definitely focus on is like you don't want to peel this with your hand because you don't want to mess the paint up. And a lot of people are just tempted to like just kind of like grab it and peel it off. What you're doing is you're taking it off this side and you're digging this bottom end into the paint, and you're gonna leave scratches behind. So just gotta stay patient.
Is the adhesive strong enough to like rip off like some of the clear coat too?
No. So we've got the V and the 8 off, and you can kind of see where this residue is stuck. So this is where like your soapy water is gonna really help to get stuff off. That's just gunk and some of like the adhesive that they use to keep these on. But before you take it off, a really good note would be to maybe pull your cell phone out when you've got this whole thing off and you can just see this and take a picture, because that's like how you're gonna know where to put the new badges after you clean this completely off.
Alright, everybody mask up.
Alright, so we're heading to Walmart because soapy water did not come through the way we thought it would. I want to get some sticker remover. Also, we are in a 2019 Audi RS3. So probably gonna get in trouble.
Nope.
No? Nope, no trouble at all.
No trouble.
Alright, so headed back. Walmart trip was a success. Got some sticker tape and adhesive remover. I've never seen this brand before.
Mostin Bockers.
Mustang Bookies. Mustang Bookies.
I said, don't worry, I'll drive slowly, then gets pulled over.
What was that story? What happened in that story?
So when he had the S3, that was my first time fiddling with like a DSG or DCT transmission. I got carried away. I did 110 in a 35, and there was just a cop car.
Is that a confession?
Technical reports is 78.
We can beep it out. We can beep it out.
No, dude, I don't care anymore. I mean, like, I know he caught me, and he told me, like, you know, I know it's a sports car, but don't do it again. I was like, wow, it's a cool cop.
You're missing the other part too. You didn't have your license.
Oh yeah, that's right. I didn't have my license or I didn't have my anything on me.
It wasn't even your car.
No, just when you U-turn it, and you fly. How fast does it get up to like 60? I want to see that.
Let's see.
Isn't it like 3.9?
3.6.
Some people say 3.6, some go 3.9.
Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm about to scream like a little girl. Oh my gosh. What the heck, dude? He's already there. All right, it's the left after this. 80 miles, just like that. Wow. That, you know, I feel like the CLS would get up to that same speed, but it would feel so different. So we've got everything off and kind of got a lot of that residue off after like 25 minutes of picking with my fingers and this red thing. So yeah, now we're gonna just try and focus on getting the rest of it off and completely cleaned up, and then we'll get the rest of the badges off. Before we put the black one on, we'll just use a cutting compound to polish everything up here and make it look clean, get all the scratches out, and then we'll put the badges on. Alright, we've got the Motzen Bockers, I don't know how to say that, but it's the adhesive remover, so we're going to try that out. We're going to heat it up a little bit again, we're going to spray this on, and we're going to try to take it all off. So we've got all the badges off all over the car. We've cleaned them. What we're gonna do now is we're going to polish them with a cutting compound. Or you know, I guess it's not polish. We're buffing them down with cutting compound. Then we're going to clean them up. Use some isopropyl alcohol. Just kind of just get the surface cleaned up. And we're gonna have just gonna tack on the new badges. I think they already have some adhesive on them, so it should be pretty easy. So we're gonna stick this decal right here, which is about the same spot that it was in the past. Now the only thing I can say about this decal is that the compressor logo on this is a lot more stretched out than the one that comes from the factory. So this is up to you ultimately at this point, whatever you think looks better, if you want to like put the letters closer together or if you want to leave them how they are on the sheet. But we're gonna go ahead and stick them on now.
My God, that is sick. Oh shit. I love the contrast. It's a lot better than stock.
Alright guys, so we got black badges on the car, on the fenders and the rear. So the next steps in terms of cosmetics as far as Blackout goes, we have the window chrome around the windows. We have a chrome bar underneath the badges that we just blacked out. Plan to black that out. And the grille itself, I'm thinking, well, I'm contemplating right now between a DIY how to paint your own grille black kind of video, and where we take the stock grille off and paint it black because I quite like the design, or an R230 SL style aftermarket gloss black grille. In terms of Blackout, I think that's as far as this car really needs. I'm not planning to do black wheels, although I know some people are advocates of the contrast, but I think that's what would kind of make this car look a lot more modern. Let me know if you agree in the comments below. If you want to see more stuff like this, also let me know about that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.